Have you ever wanted to drive your car off a cliff rather than have to clean your guns? Or maybe jump out of an airplane with no parachute? Guys, we've all been there. Me personally, I prefer to slash more tires than Goodyear produces in a year, so we all deal with pain differently. Today, we're going over the bore snake and how you can clean your gun in under 10 seconds. Let's get into it. So for those of you that don't know, the bore snake is a barrel cleaning kit, or they call it the bore. But basically it has a weight on the very end of it here. So you can open up your bolt, drop this down into the barrel, and it will come out the other end of the barrel. And then you pull the whole thing through. And as you'll see here, it's got these little barbs on the front end. It's very, very hard to tell. But they're little tiny barbs, kind of like you would have on a aggressive brush to kind of scrub off the burnt powder on the inside. So then the very end of this here wipes off the rest of it and cleans out the gun. Now, I end up giving this thing a little bit of a spray with some rim oil. Great to have. You definitely need to have some kind of an oil, you know, I mean, who doesn't want to lube their guns anyway? You kind of need that. But that's just how the process goes. Let's show it on an actual gun. So here we have my Savage Access chambered in .308 Winchester. We're gonna go ahead and show you real quick how to clean this. So I've taken the bolt out just to make it a little easier, because otherwise it'll keep falling back in. So you just want to remove the bullet if possible. Some semi-autos, you're not gonna be able to do that. So let's go ahead, drop the weight down. You can do it from the rear or from the side access here. Try to get the gun as straight as possible so it'll just fall straight down the barrel. All right. Now it has already gone through the end here, so it makes it a little easier. You just pull it as far through as you can until you feel the resistance. Then I just wrap my hand up in here and get a nice firm grip. Pull on through, extend your arm. If you have short arms, you might have to pull again. Just pull that last bit, you're good to go. So I would do that maybe 2 more times, 3 more times if it's really dirty, and then go ahead and check it, should be clean. Okay, so our firearm has been double, triple checked. It's completely safety checked. It's unloaded. The only rounds nearby are the ones in the little side pocket here. So we're all good. I've charged up my hand crank flashlight. I did a video on this. You could reference that if you'd like. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to shine the light here on the bolt, facing backwards at the bolt here. And then we're gonna look down the barrel, and you can see the rifling. You can see if there's any buildup or crud on the inside. We're really clean because we already made a few passes with the bore snake. So we are good to go, but that is how you check to make sure that your barrel is cleaned. Now keep in mind, guys, this cleans your barrel. This doesn't clean the rest of the gun or the other action. If you have a semi-automatic, want to clean a little bit more than that, keep the reliability going. Even a bolt gun, you'll still want to clean the other places depending on how dirty it is. But in terms of where can you buy this at? Me personally, I've got it on Amazon and eBay. Mostly eBay. I got this 12 gauge one. There are some off brands. They're like an unnamed brand version of it, and they are a bit cheaper. So just know you can get some cheaper ones than just the bore snake brand. But you may pay the cost, because I did buy one that was chambered in 12 gauge. It was not an actual bore snake brand. And I started pulling it through and it snapped in half. And then I had to go fish the thing out of there. So it wasn't so fun to do. Just know you might get what you pay for. In terms of price, they're really inexpensive for what you're getting. I mean, I think they're 8 to 12 bucks, depending on the caliber, a little more, a little less. But they've got just about every caliber out there. For whatever gun you got, I can almost assure you they have the caliber there. And like I said, it's not just one for each exact caliber. Usually you'll get something that's like a 30 cal bore snake, like this one I have, and you know, like 30-06, 308, whatever. They're all together in there. So, and then I have one that's one for like the 5.56, the 223, all that. Works for the AR, 22s. So it covers a lot of ground. Buying one bore snake can really cover a lot of ground, so just know that. But overall, it's a great tool in your kit. Make sure you guys go check it out. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're getting value, please let us know. If you want to see more gun reviews, please let us know that as well, because we'd love to do some more reviews for you guys. Comment down below what gun you want reviewed. We'll see y'all in the next one.
Let's have some fun.
I don't wanna be just another face in the crowd. Keep it quiet when there's voices inside.